Got the Scat Pack, Red Eye, Hellcat.
What?
Follow me.
Follow me. Oh my God, it's JTV.
Oh, he started falling backwards. Look, Jay, that's what you did. He said, I said, damn.
Take two. Don't fucking record. I mean, don't.
I'm okay, I'm not gonna look.
God damn, my nose hurt.
You the ground again, damn it. You hydrated?
Hell.
It's probably hot. Yep.
I need to start drinking them shit.
I'm gonna start sweating a whole lot more. A gallon a day keep AIDS
It's
away.
still in my nose, bro. I feel like I drowned. Oh,
What'd you say?
A gallon a day keep AIDS away.
Go ahead.
I think it's a blunt a day.
You can't record in the wrong
One day?
I said a blunt a day.
Oh, a blunt a day keep you
I
puking
thought you
hair,
meant
bro.
like bun.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
The rim was spark, don't you want? Free slide?
I burnt my shits out yesterday. No, this morning when I got off work.
Nigga, don't kill them shit.
What?
Go around 2 times.
Yo, here we are. Welcome back to the channel. This is Red Eye Rod. Welcome back.
Cuz, fuck out of here, dude. By trying to let you, this nigga stupid, nigga.
Show everybody what's out here. All right, back to me now. Back to me. All right, y'all. Today, we got the Scat Pack, Red Eye, Hellcat.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Hell to the no. Hell to the no.
Follow me.
Follow me.
You ready? All right, yeah. So, Red Eye Rod. Here we got the Scat Pack wide body. Yeah. Not just pan out like that. Like show the sky and shit pan out. Yeah, there we go. That's y'all tripping.
You should be.
Well, I don't smoke, so.
We go somewhere with shade.
Yeah. Right in the car. Rockingham speed.
How far is Charlotte from here?
Smooth 2 hours.
That's not bad.
I don't know.
You be lying. Sam got it.
1 hour and 53 minutes.
Ooh, we living like a city.
You live?
Yep, live.
I'm Narcos.
Talk to me.
G-Money be running from me.
No. What?
He wait till
your water, baby. Fuck your shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop my shit. Yeah, put that down.
I be
I'm
running
sitting at the I'm sitting at the light on Capitol about to make a left turn by the BP. All I hear is whoa. I'm like, oh, he hit that move when I'm about to turn. I'm
Oh,
stuck.
he probably didn't see your ass. First of all, this is what happened. I seen him before. Story. I seen him before he seen me.
Okay.
I'm on what's that? Millbrook. Yeah. I'm on Millbrook. I seen you go across on Capitol. I'm just getting off work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I turned. That's why I went like that. 'Cause I'm looking for your ass. That's why I did that. 'Cause I'm looking for your ass.
I'm running from help.
You went to the light, went left.
I seen you behind me. I said, I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm gonna turn. I have no
Don't
destination.
start running for you, brother. Don't do that.
What you lying for?
We can line it up right now. You want to?
Myself.
Hey, nothing but space
I
opportunity.
don't
Ain't
even
never
know
space
where my,
opportunity, brother.
I don't even know where my
Bad
car
times and everything.
Over there.
is. Bro, you on my side.
What we doing there? What we doing there?
Right next to the one.
Just y'all know that JTV. Y'all follow that man right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Follow that man right there. You understand me?
Yeah, y'all, that's JTV.
That's what I'm saying. So I seen you before you seen me though.
You ain't catch up to me though.
You know why? Cause you about to turn by the ABC store.
Damn.
Yeah.
Got your ass.
Yeah.
And it's on live. You better go home.
Hey, look, all I heard was warm. I said, damn, who that? I see it was
Hey,
you.
look, I see you go cross. I said, boy, you better be glad this light don't change. Boy, you better be glad.
I said, damn.
I had just got off work.
I'm looking at my review. I'm about to get up there. I was like, nah, I'm good right
Hey, I
now.
had just got off work. I said, come on, bro.
Anyway, I'll tell you, that's exactly where I was going to ABC school.
I know it's not there. I know. And look, ain't no point you going nowhere else over there. Ain't nothing else over there but what the little hotel.
I went that way. My boy was like, what the hell? You went to Motel 6? I said, hell no, ABC stuff. Went over there and I was sitting in the car like, damn, give me back, bro.
This man there trying to call me out and I done got him slipping. Don't do
Hey,
me
look,
like
I'm
that.
going to catch you on Capitol.
Don't do me like
And
that.
I'm going to get right beside
I
you.
wish you would. Come on.
Busy road and all. We're going to die behind this one.
Come on with it. Come on with it.
What the fuck? Ew, look at her face.
She nasty as hell. At a car, nasty as hell.
What you got? Exhaust fumes all on her face.
I know you
I
got
think I
the
got
pick.
burnout rubber on my damn
I know
tongue.
you got the pick.
I'm about to.
When?
I don't know. Whenever they do the goddamn judges, I just clean my shit for the show, and then I realized that they was fucking doing the shit for free.
Mullah pipe me up for this one.
That's vinegar? Yeah, never get the vinegar.
It's bomb.
How that taste?
Y'all niggas know how to eat.
Pretty valid. Feel me?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Ooh. Go ahead. Ooh. Hold on. He fucking that shit up. Oh God.
He fucking that shit up.
She ain't touching his nose trying to. Sound effects and all. What the fuck is that, Tim? It's sweet. I don't care.
Tonight.
Alcohol.
Just made this. Just made this.
Pledge my allegiance to the Father. All my niggas down the ride. Play with mines, you know we up to 9. Yeah, we in the murder homicide. All my niggas really built for war.